Alright, so we're here about to set the new iPad Air M3. I almost said mini because I literally have my mini sitting right here. First of all, look at the difference. Isn't this crazy? First of all, I love the color of this. I got the starlight. As you already know, I probably already said it in the video, but that's crazy, like insane. But yeah, y'all not here for that. Y'all already seen it. We're here for the setup right now, bro. First of all, I don't know if my whole phone could fit this. First of all, y'all can see yourselves. Say hi. Exactly. But hello. This phone is massive. Like, it's literally as big as my MacBook up there is a 13-inch as well. So this is literally the same exact size as that screen. Actually, it might be a little bit wider. That's wild. Does my Apple Pen work with this? Can I set it up somehow? Let's check. Let's check. No, this one is huge. Like, I don't think I really understand how big this iPad is. Maybe it's just because I'm used to the iPad mini that this seems so big. But this is literally insane right now. I miss y'all. I really did miss y'all. We haven't done an unboxing video in a minute. All right, hello. I'm done bull crapping. Swipe up. Let's see. No, it's not connected right now. All right, you know, English. Normal setup routine. United States, you feel me? Apparent, medium. Quickly set up iPad or set up. Do I want to set it up as my old iPad? I don't think I want to do that. Open your current iPhone or iPad near your... Where's my phone? I'm recording on my phone. I can't even do that. The problem is my iPad mini has a different Apple account than my regular phone. I want to connect this to my MacBook and my phone. I really have my iPad mini for basketball since I'm a basketball trainer, so I wanted to really use it for basketball, so I created a whole separate Apple ID for it. But now I'm thinking like, yo, I can just really have it on one. That's what I did in the first place. So we're just gonna combine it too. I can't set it up. All right, we're just gonna have to set it up. BRB. My bad, Joe. We're late. We're setting up Apple Intelligence right now. Siri, of course. Whoa. Siri, how's the weather? Do you hear that sound effect? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. That was tough, I ain't gonna lie. The sound effects was tough. The sound effects was tough. You gotta give it to where it's at. You gotta give credit to where it's at. Apple beta software program. I think we should do that. You should. I'm really excited to test out that. I'm sorry, my hand's on the way. I'm really excited to test out the iPad OS 26 because they changed the name. iPad OS 26. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know and I can see if I can get my hands on it. Welcome to the iPad. You already know the first thing we got to do is test to see if this thing works. I don't think it does. Dang. Am I ordering new Apple Pencil, bro? I don't want to do that. Oh, look at this design. One thing I am kind of disappointed about when it comes to getting the iPad Air versus the iPad Pro is this is still 60 hertz. The iPad Pro, I believe, is 120 hertz, and I heard that is like lightning fast. But I went with this because it's a cheaper option, and honestly, I don't need an iPad Pro right now. If I do need one down in the future, I'll get it, but it's really not much of a difference. I mean, if you're like heavy into like content creation, which I am, to be honest, but not at the extent to where not to the extent where I need an iPad Pro, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not gonna be sitting here editing 8K footage on my iPad, you know, like it's really just phone footage that I'd be editing. And if anything, I'm editing this YouTube video at my setup with my MacBook, which I do need to upgrade on. But so I got the iPad Air for like quote unquote casual, not like casual content creator. But you know what the first app you gotta download right now? The first app, coulda, woulda. Yes, sir. Love Island, baby. Download that Peacock. New episode tonight at 9 o'clock. I'm so, yo. As I'm recording this, the last 3 episodes of Ironheart comes out tonight too. Let me know if you watch Ironheart, and also let me know down in the comment section if you're watching Love Island. I don't know when this video's gonna come out. It might be out after Love Island's over. So give me your predictions on whoever won. Drop your reaction to Love Island in the comments. Dude, yo, this is such a beautiful like display. Like, look at that compared to this. I love my iPad mini. Don't get me wrong, but it's just something like, I don't know what it is. I am sadly gonna have to get rid of this. I'm not getting rid of it because I pay for it. Like, I'm not gonna go throw it out, but it's going to a new owner because we got this bad. But I'm gonna miss it though. I'm gonna miss just being able to stick this in my pocket. Let me know if I made the right decision, because I'm not gonna lie. This still holds up pretty well. Like, I don't want to say pretty well, like really well. Like, there's no lag, there's no nothing. Like, this is a solid iPad. Like, if you want just an iPad that don't want to have to be as big as this one or obnoxious as this one, then definitely I recommend getting the iPad. And if you don't want to get the new iPad mini 7, because I heard that there's not much of a difference, which is kind of crazy about Apple, considering the fact that this iPad, the iPad mini 6, came out in 2021. It's 2025. They just released a similar a similar iPad with the different chip. Come on, Apple, be for real. I'm gonna go enjoy this iPad, set everything up, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces. did get some new accessories to go with it. Paperlike case, you feel me? Of course, you know, if we got the Paperlike case, strong man. We also got the Paperlike screen protector. I don't know why I decided to get this. I seen it on Instagram. I was like, a bit of expensive in my opinion. If I'm being honest, it was a bit of expensive, but if it's for the video, we'll do anything for y'all. I got y'all. So yeah, these two. We'll set these up probably on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram right there. Peep it. Go watch it.